2006 by making footprints in trading of petroleum products. Today, it shares the queue among the few leading and reliable suppliers of petroleum products, and its core activities includes trade in fuel oils, gas oil, naphtha, bunker fuels, cutter stocks, base oil, and other petroleum products. Having a wide experience in trading, it started its endeavour to make infrastructures and started with setting up a storage terminal in the main harbour of Hamria Free Zone. Henceforth, the focus has been to grow not only in business value, but also creating world-class infrastructure to support the business growing. Accordingly, the group has planned forward and backward integration. The storage unit consists of tanks of different sizes, ranging from 1,000 cubic meters to 25,000 cubic meters, capable of catering to different classes of petroleum and petrochemicals. Pipeline network. Pipeline connections to all three different ports in Hamria Port. Main harbour, 14 meters DWT, middle harbour, 7 meters DWT, and inner harbour, 5 meters DWT. The service fleets. The company has its own local distribution system, comprising of bulk tankers of different sizes, service vehicles, trailers and pickups, which gives an added advantage of cost benefit and better service to the customers. Shipping and allied services. This division of the group aims at catering to the shipping requirement for the business and bulk logistics. The business strategy of the division was to procure order-based items from the market. The company deals in businesses like shipping, rig movement, barging, ship maintenance and management, surveying, supply of bunker fuel, supply of oil and derivatives. Local distribution. The division takes care of the retail market and distributes products to the needs of local retail customers. Engineering. The engineering division of the group, ever since its inception, provides turnkey engineering solutions to its valued clients in power, food, oil, gas, petrochemical and construction industries, with a repute of successful and timely completion of projects. We specialize in all types of mechanical engineering and steel fabrication related to oil and gas, petrochemicals and power industry as per international standards. Continuous innovation, sustained by the dedication of our employees, coupled with the use of advanced technology, has ensured that ARYA Petroleum Group continues to head towards being the leader in the markets it has chosen to be in. Refining. The group has a state-of-the-art plant for fractional distillation of hydrocarbon at Sharjah, UAE. Presently, the plant runs at a capacity of 1,080,000 metric tons per annum. The process is fully automated and controlled by PLC through SCADA. The facility consists of distillation columns, reactors and reboilers. The facility is capable of handling multiple raw materials, including off-spec products. The process is non-polluting and deploys modern techniques to produce C9, naphtha, white spirit, gas oil, specialty oil, solvents, light oil and fuel from heavy oil. Specialty products. ARYA Petroleum Group has an integrated, modern and well-equipped facility to produce multi-speciality grease and lubricants. The facility is equipped with automatic filling machines with capacities to handle packing sizes from 250 millilitres to 210 litres of strategy of the group is to create infrastructure like increasing the infrastructures related to business. There are and eyeing at new projects. Addition of value-added products. Diversification plans. The group has plans to diversify into healthcare, real estate,